and go.
Oh, there's the Dale out there, yeah?
Yeah.
We're back. And we're in somewhere very fancy.
Very.
Look at all this stuff. Posters. Oh, they're all different, are they different events?
Yeah, all the world tour ones.
Oh, very good, yeah. Anyway, so we're about to do a little walk around. It's Driftgames.
We'll do the outfit last.
Yeah. Look at the bonnets, pretty cool, aren't they?
And the bonnet, the McLaren bonnet there for everyone to sign as well.
Oh, yeah.
There's actually so much detail around the place.
Just what you want to point to them for a little bit.
We'll start from the front door.
Yeah.
There's the lads.
Hello, friends.
Hello,
friends.
Hello, guys.
Might have seen these lads in that channel before. What's it called? What's your channel?
Something Rift. I'll tell you what. After this week, it's Driftgames. We're all falling out with each other.
After this month.
After this month,
Yeah, it's a long month.
It's a long month, but for everyone, you boys absolutely smash it at the park. Like again, came together. That's the thing. It's like about they're only saying the building and every single thing in it didn't exist 8 months ago.
Yeah.
Not one thing in this whole place. Not a pen, not a camera, not a car, not even the walls. Nothing existed in 8 months
Something to
ago.
be very proud of.
And, and come here, obviously we're going to go outside and we're going to show around what we've done, but we didn't, you and me spoke about it, I'd say we had nothing, we hadn't got a pen, we didn't get a piece of paper.
No sketches.
You and me standing there going, that there, move that to there, huh?
And the lad said if they hear the phrase from me, one phrase they don't want to hear again, which is or. Adam said he wakes up in a sweat in the middle of the night listening to or.
Could do this.
Yeah.
Never again. Never again.
Right, David.
We'll let you get back to it.
Yeah, thanks, Dave. Right, let's go for
Right,
the wander.
from the
front. That's tape. Dale.
Welcome to a new episode of Supermarket Sweep.
You're blurred, like, huh? There she is. There's the front. There's the grand entrance.
Look at the logos and everything. Savage.
It is savage. Right.
Yeah.
Which way are we going? We're going to go straight in first. Okay.
Straight in the door.
Right. Are we gonna put anything in our pocket as memorabilia? Just when he was in it.
That fit in my pocket.
Right. Entrance. Savage. Do you know that's Adam Elsie's bike up there as well on the wall?
Is it?
Yeah.
Can you do wheelies on it?
No. I'm gonna do a little bit of modification on her.
Stunting.
Yeah. I'm gonna just mess with our camera. Right then, we're back. I don't know what I said in the last one, okay, but we're back. We're back again.
Back again, yeah.
I think I don't know mention Adam Elsie's bike. I'm just hanging on the wall randomly.
Yeah.
Mr. Jimmy Oaks in the middle there.
Yeah.
What an entrance there.
Oh yeah, Jesus Christ.
What an entrance. We showed all the bonnets on up there.
It's all the fiddly little bits and all, like, you know, just the way everything is and all.
Oh, look at the SPTLs. Why don't we not one of them?
Well, we can put it in the pocket.
Oh, look at them. Look at the old place.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what a picture. Oh my God, Dave, huh?
Man.
Right, where are we going first? Employees only. Damn.
Don't be allowed in there, that's the
No.
stop rail.
That's a merch room. We'll have a little peep in there.
What's this?
Huh?
Oh, don't go in there.
Oh.
No.
We know what you're up to in there, huh?
Excuse me, employees only.
I know. Well, technically we still are.
We're still working today, but it's alright, you know.
We're on the Christmas wind down.
Oh, them see sweeties.
Look at that for a big, let's go.
Oh, savage. That was me driving the car. That actually, they actually edited David into it.
Oh, they photoshopped it.
Yeah.
All the little simulators.
Oh, yeah.
Few Sims. This is where all the magic happens here. Some jobs, lads. Some jobs.
Yeah.
David, I think you need one of them.
They're already, they're free to take away, is it?
That's it.
Yeah, for everyone in the audience.
Lads, you can sponsor us with this one. We don't mind, huh?
Yeah. We don't know how to drive them, but like, we'll give it a go.
Same consultants. They're joining the team, David. Huh?
Without them even knowing.
Look at the little. Look at this. Oh my God.
Right job.
Well, we've only got to here. sorry, Adam. Hold on.
These are cool.
Oh, sounds make sure they're lovely, a little fancy toilet now on the place, huh?
Something to look at when you're going.
Put Craig in the share.
Huh?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, look
That's
at
a nice place to shite.
Have you seen this man? Huh? There you go. Pause your TV and read that. Huh? Savage. Oh, that is Craig's car. Sorry, I didn't even cop that.
That's why you said it.
Yeah, Craig's in the share.
My God, look at that there, huh?
Yeah.
How did that even survive, eh?
I don't know. Pretty cool. You know, Blitz wheel going cheap there if anyone looking one.
Oh my
Spare.
God. David, this little memory room here, yeah, okay?
Yeah.
Think,
This is Death Alley.
this is it. I think we might be involved in the, how would you call it?
The gathering of parts.
You put your hard hat on, your high vis, and you just went into that building. You told us.
Throw one out the window.
I think he told the guard that he was the main engineer. He's going to check to see if the building's safe.
If you stand there and tip your chin, then you look real important, you
With a
know?
pen. Right, this is where it's.
There's actually the wheel.
Oh God, yeah. Jeez, I even forget it. I used to forget that car David even existed. You know, what a machine.
Look at
Well. Well, look at
There's
this.
Kane with a mop.
Just down my carrier.
Oh yeah,
I didn't mind it. Amateurs.
David.
Can we just say the new Strams?
They was looking then. Do you know what they we need? Yeah.
New saddle.
Do you know what they remind me of? Okay. Am I right saying it? Like a Mercedes wheel, like a Merc. I don't know. Am I talking shite?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
There's a wheel. There's a wheel. I'm gonna just find out what type of wheel. I think they're savage.
They are nice.
Yeah. I forgot that you even had that joke. Hey?
No.
I didn't forget you got that. You had that because I helped you put that in here the other
How
day.
did you get it up there?
I lifted it. Craig got one in like the other day. No, what did you do? Trailer, back the trailer and over there, 2 ramps into it.
Oh, yeah, but you couldn't get it straight.
So it was a bit of
An
a
angle.
and
Because had the ball pushed the shop front there and you can't open the door with the container full.
and
It only opens to there.
and Wayne, okay? Wayne had the blocks of timber and all, right?
Yeah.
Wayne comes out there right, with a piece of timber, a big 7-8 foot long piece of timber, and says, look, we can drive it up on that across, okay? Dave, I don't care what you say. I'm putting a picture of this piece of timber in here, right there, okay, right?
Oh, yeah, right?
Yeah, you were. Did you see the piece of timber, yeah? This thing had mould and it was worms crawling inside, okay? Okay, right? Anyway, enjoy that little thing.
Take a minute to appreciate Des and how good he looks.
There's the main man. You don't see him on the Driftgames channel, you see him on our channel.
Look at this.
Oh, that's Dave's dad, by the way.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Will this, David, Craig, when is this going for raffle?
28.
Oh, the 28th, so in this field. Oh, it's someone.
Somebody's already won
Yeah.
it. We're trying to video of it.
Someone has, and what? Now, I think, Ricky, yeah?
Yeah.
Is there a cash in town with Craig?
Might be to me now.
Craig is an interested man in this car, so you know, someone wins it, and they might, and someone wins it, okay?
I'll offer you real bad money for it.
Yeah.
Real bad money.
Low ball. Low ball at home, man.
Dave, this was very similar to the old place, the old
What?
what?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah. Look at it, white floor and all, savage.
White floor to the Craig, I started chopping things up and all.
Love these little signs. They're very protruding. Even standing here looking at the back over there, savage.
Yeah.
Oh, Craig, next week, I want you to try and win something, will you?
Huh?
You want to try and win something out of the machine? Yeah, I'm gonna give you 3 goals.
Right.
Did you not put the money in, no?
No.
Okay.
Always close.
10-2, no good.
To be fair, for such a stupid thing, it's the most practice.
Oh, you nearly got a lanyard, David did, huh?
A lanyard.
See,
Close.
Here, do you know what, actually, I'll buy you one rather than watch you play that, Right. Right, let's just walk. We're just going to walk straight towards the wall here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm going to turn around. Okay, ready? That's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this episode. Look at this.
It's actually something else when you see it, isn't it? How long ago was it? 3 weeks ago when we were in doing the mezzanine floor?
Yeah, so, did we say that? So,
I don't know.
So obviously, okay, I was the main contractor. I was the builder on the job. Okay, why did I do it? Like, why did I do that with my hands? David and Mark done this steel mezzanine floor. We even put that container up there, which we're told is not going to be able to go up. It won't. Well, a professional crane driver told us. Okay, but anyway, we got it up. Here, we'll have to get Craig. Can you organise clips off Josh? I was putting it up there. That's a no.
I thought I'd probably screen recorded other video. It's usually what I do.
That is tight. We're so close. We're so close.
Like there's literally about 3 inches in it.
This is the problem now with me having notions. I should just. Why did I go this far?
Well, the problem is with the notions. It's not based on the containers look cool, but it wasn't based on getting the containers in.
You know, I didn't do any calculations for the notion. I just said, wouldn't it be cool if?
Oh, we're there.
It's on top of the container though.
Oh, we are at our limit there. I'll say it was about almost an hour in, and it's still as sketchy as when it started. You alright, Darren?
No, I'm not all right.
You want to terrify yourself, just look around this corner.
No, it's not outside anymore, so I figure it's inside and
Adam, just have a look.
their family's motto is it shouldn't be an issue. So it wasn't.
It wasn't.
It isn't, and it isn't. And
For everyone else watching, it was an issue, but for them, it wasn't an issue.
Be right that. Do you know what, David's loads of like, see the 7-Eleven shop there, yeah?
Yeah.
When he was trying to explain it to me, I didn't get it, okay?
Yeah.
And then I just said to him, I says, here, well, I put a set of doors in the middle of it and a window beside, and we do something around it, and then you can stick it all up and on. I couldn't vision like how it actually looks exactly like a shop.
Yeah.
Johnny. So it does. So you didn't do a bad job, hey? David, you can even go in there, David, and get your money transfer.
I'm happy days.
You can get a tuna sandwich. Huh?
Everyone loves the tuna here.
Everyone tuna sandwiches on the house. Dave, this is where. Sorry, look at. I forgot they even had that car.
I'm just laughing at the Birmingham sign. That's a good one. It is.
What Birmingham sign?
Get entered with every purchase and be in with a chance to visit a very big place.
very big place.
Right, anyone watching there, just pause that and read it, because I can't hold my hand here long enough. Right?
The only problem is we're not sure how you win it.
Win a trip to Birmingham, but there's no. So is this false advertising, Josh? Please.
Well, I think so. The prize is there, but we're not sure what the competition is yet.
Can we go and test it out first though? Yeah. I heard that, yeah.
I want to check the underneath this thing, see if she rusty. Huh? She's clean.
She's not bad, alright.
That's that clean, you need to drive it upside down, wouldn't you? Huh?
You know, because you wouldn't be driving upside down.
Some job. SP Hills in the house, look at all this. Dave, we need one of those toolboxes.
Yeah, Brendan.
And Brendan, hook us up. Jeez, we need to get, by the end of this video, we might, Sim Solutions. Huh? We have, Sim Consultants. Sorry lads. Machines, we need those machines.
Yeah, you need a speaker like that, sorry.
And a trolley jack. Where's the new trolley jack? Right, upstairs we go. Showing a bit of ankle there, David.
Oh,
What's he feeling it today, yeah?
can we just say, look how beautiful the stairs is.
Oh, he's so proud of the stairs, huh? John, David, and here's another thing, right? So, when we were designing the whole thing, okay?
Yeah.
The stairs, like so where are we going to put the stairs, okay? So, sorry, I'm just getting, so we're thinking the stairs was going to go down there.
Yeah.
And then it would have blocked the doorway over there. Then we were thinking of putting it down through here, but then it's come up that way, and then you're blocking stuff underneath because the containers under there. Yeah. So she actually worked here really well. You know, what this? So, clothing, basketball machine. Oh, you used this. Oh, 1 out of 3.
Not bad, not
That's
bad.
like a good night out, Dave, isn't it? Huh?
Look at this.
NASCAR on top of NASCAR. Do you know what I love about that NASCAR? This one here, yeah? I love the Snickers. I want to get the Snickers signed made for our shed. Anyway, Dave. Here, Dave, you want a few bits of these, mate? Huh?
I'd rather wear Triple H's.
Umbrellas, we have those umbrellas. And it just keeps going on and on. David, even this thing here, look at that shit, huh?
There's just so much cool shit going
Oh
on.
my god. And Adam's little truck that you're seeing downstairs, yeah? All the old parts of it. Like, where do you come up with this? Like, where do you come up with stuff like that, do you think?
I don't know.
Crazy. Little coffee shop, coffee dock, little tree, plants and tree. I want to get a look at this. Savage. The big wall there as well. David, tyres, we need any tyres?
I'm going to throw a few in the Jeep and probably it.
Where's the cash register? Hey.
You can Red Bull.
Huh? Any money in there? Huh? No, I threw them in the G then. Anyway, David, I think that's enough of the wall story here, okay? That light up there, yeah? Okay? Yeah. It's actually pretty cool, okay? So, we're here one day, Gary Dunn turns out and he says, here, Dave says, did you put a frame up there? It's because we're putting the light on it. And I said, I had to tell him, I said, I'm too busy. I'm up to my eyeballs. We've that much work on before Christmas to get it done. This place done was unreal, right?
Yeah.
And I hope that's not copyright music, okay?
Better not be.
We lose out on €1.57. And I told Gary, in the nicest possible way, unfortunately I can't do it. But I says, you can do it. And he goes, no, he's not doing it. So I bet him a £5 that he's going to do it.
Yeah.
Craig sent me a video, yeah, the other night, of Gary on the cherry picker down the light. Hey.
If you still have that video, send it to me.
Oh yeah, send it, right? So now I'd like to put in, okay, Gary Dunn is known, okay, around here as the Fresh Prince of Kildare. Here's a picture of him here now. Huh? Oh, and hey, by the way, what's under that cover?
I'll show you. Look.
Give me a little glimpse of the cover. How would you come on, eh? You have to stuff that off again.
There.
Okay, that's all you're getting. Okay, right? Don't know what it is, but it looks chunky. It looks like something James Dean would drive, actually. Right, back at base. Hope you enjoyed that all there.
The walk around.
Walk around, yeah. We did forget one vital piece. We never put any pictures in of the beginning, what it looked like. It was just a big white box, but... Do you know what? Oh, well, you're not meant to put in... Am I recording? Yeah. We're not meant to put in a few screen recordings, hey?
I did. I put them in.
Oh, you did?
I got them. I want them
So
all.
do you have any of the beginning? No.
No, I just had the ones that you lift in the container in.
Okay. So that's the container, right? Oh, so you would have seen that it was a fairly blank... Well, lifting containers and we only had the mezzanine floor in.
There was still a bit done to it though as well. I think there was some of the shop fronts that were started. Where they are?
Oh, at that stage now?
I don't know. I'm literally going to put the video together then. I can't remember.
Anyway.
We'll throw in a few pictures.
Yeah.
Somewhere along there.
Over there. We put them over there. Well, that's nearly the end of the video. We've another little bit mad video coming next day, don't we? We've
Yeah, Jesus.
of all. Can I say the first name of the car? Yeah.
The
new
brand
year.
of it, yeah.
Huh?
The brand.
Yeah, and it is a Nissan, yeah.
Yeah.
Do I not hear you around here always giving out with Nissans?
Nissans are hands down the worst built cars in the world. I don't care what anyone says. But yeah, like I have the S15, I had S13s, S14s, everything. Because Nissans, even though they're shit, they're the nicest and most tunable, we'll say.
Yeah.
You know, you can get the best parts from them. And
So what do you do when you're like that with Nissans? So let's just go and get another one.
well, in fairness to Craigo,
Yeah.
Craigo had one plan yesterday morning,
Yeah.
which I seen on his Instagram.
Yeah.
And then talking to you yesterday, a couple of hours later, that whole plan completely changed.
Anyway, you'll have to wait till the next one with that, because that's a crazy one.
2025 is going to be a mad year for Craigo alone.
Yeah,
anyway.
definitely, yeah.
Only God knows what's going to be happening with us.
Yeah. Speaking of Craig, I hear him coming. But anyway, Dave, that's the end of the video.
That's the end of the video, and also the end of a year.
Oh, jeez.
That's been a hectic year for Triple Eight, really.
Jeez, it has indeed, yeah. So, Jesus, on that note, we'll have to squeeze me in here beside you and wish everyone a happy new year.
Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a good Christmas. And
Is this going to be Christmas?
this is going to
Christmas Day?
New Year's Day.
New Year's Day. It's. Are you sure?
100%.
Well, happy New Year, everyone, and thanks for everyone who's subscribed and liked all our stuff all year and had to put up with the day, lad. Do you know yourself, huh?
And anyone that hasn't subscribe. So we'll get €3 from a video, maybe.
Right, that's a wrap. Roll on 2025.
Yeah. We'll see you in the new year. Over and out from Dale and Dar.